Alright guys, sorry for the wind sound. Here we are on the island of Cyprus. Been here only a few hours, but I did have a chance to get into a grocery store where I bought, I think you guys have seen me open one of these before, an Egret. The only difference, of course, this is a large one and they are very proud. It is made in our favorite country, made in China. There's the bidding, and oddly, let me put my hand behind there. When I went through the boxes, all of them had precisely the same bidding, so that's the most challenging thing that I can find here. It works. Won't be needing those anymore. And let's see if we can SPP this thing real quick. I know it's not about the lock, this is more about the scenery. You're saying, yeah, get that lock out of my way so I can see what Cyprus looks like. And I'll do that in just a second. Hopefully. Before I fall off this cliff. And there we go. Egret, made in China, open. And there you go, what you really want to see, the beautiful surf of Cyprus, near Aphrodite's birthplace. Anyway, fellas, thanks for your time, and I'll be talking to you again from Cyprus pretty soon. Thanks.